So Mr. Hollywood, the famous Viper out of Dallas, right?
Austin.
Austin. So what can you tell me about this bad boy?
Just got it back last night from just giving it a once over since the new turbos went on about a month ago.
Are they about the exact same size turbos as the last one?
Same exact turbos, just had them serviced.
Okay.
And did some little things on the tune that I noticed while driving it around, and just gave it a once over, make sure it's ready for today.
How much power is it making, and what type of fuel?
It's running E85, and it's right at 1300 today.
1300?
Yeah.
Do you have any grudges today?
Mullet. I'm running mullet, Tony 9-ball, and then a GTR Sebastian.
That's cool. What are you hoping to run ET and trap speed?
You know, I've run a 9.6 already today. I'm hoping for a low 9.
Okay.
And then just beating those 3. It doesn't matter what I run as long as I beat them.
Yeah, as long as you get them butt hurt.
Yeah.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, thanks for the interview.
Sure.